Hey everybody, it's the Yuki, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Kobe Bryant Dodger head Bobblehead I got yesterday at the Dodgers game. I got to go to Dodger Stadium last night and get the Bobblehead, and they won 5-1 against the Toronto Blue Jays. Awesome game, good job, Mookie Betts, home run. And now I get to unbox this guy right here, the Kobe Bryant Bobblehead from Dodger Stadium last night. This is my very first bobblehead unboxing I have ever done on this channel, and first unboxing I have ever do. So let me just tell you a little bit about the game. Besides the home run from Mookie Betts, the Bryant family, the youngest daughter, got to throw out the first pitch, and she was pretty good. Good arm too. Freddie Freeman caught the pitch, and then fantastic atmosphere. I've been to Dodger Stadium a few times, but this is the first time I actually got to get a bobblehead. Now, Kobe Bryant passed away in 2020, I think 2020, and it's been 5 years. And I grew up watching Kobe play basketball when he was with the Lakers, and was always been with the Lakers. I got this last title 2010 when they beat Boston, and I got to watch the 81-point game on TV, of course. Never got to watch the actual game in person, and he's a legend. He will always be a legend in sports. All right. When it comes to baseball, he attended the World Series when the Dodgers played the Boston Red Sox, and he was also there in several games with Magic Johnson. So, pretty big history there. And now it's time to open this puppy right here, the bobblehead of Kobe Bryant here. I'm gonna try my best to do some ASMR material because this is my first time actually opening this thing. We're gonna take a look at it and all that good stuff. So here we go. Oh, that is nice. That is a crunchy opening. There he comes. We're gonna take a look at the detail of this thingy. Whoa, he fell out of the box. Literally fell out of the box. That's disrespectful. Alright, so we have something else in the box, and that is the bat. That is the bat. So I'm gonna grab the bag. The bat. This is the bat. We're going to attach it in a moment. There it is. There's the bat, and here is the Kobe Bryant bobblehead. Pretty cool. Pretty cool looking too. I'm gonna try to get some shots for you guys. Little look at this thing. That is the bobblehead right here. Very nice detail here. Here's the front. Here's him looking at the bat, like he's gonna be like Mookie Betts. And then here's the side angle. Here's the side angle of the bobblehead. Here's the back. Very nicely detailed here. Here's the other side. And then back to the front. And then for our fans of the rotation, we'll rotate it. Awesome stuff. Yep, that is the Kobe Bryant bobblehead from last night's Dodger game. And I'm definitely gonna put this somewhere. Definitely have to put this somewhere. So probably that's going to go over there, in that spot right there, in that area right here. Cool looking bobblehead too. There's an iconic 24. He's about to take it on bat. Swing and a home run. All right, that is my unboxing of the bobblehead, and the Dodgers won 5-1. Very cool stuff. I'm hoping to get more bobbleheads in the future, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. All right, that's all for now. We will see you guys tonight for the Battlefield 6 beta. Enjoy.